Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Untitled Chapter and I'm back again with another video. This video is actually very exciting. I'm actually so excited because I just moved into my, new house. People have been saying IRS since I couldn't get an IRS, but that's the goal. That's the goal, babes. That's the goal. So I finally moved and I just said, let me just show you guys around. Let me show you guys what my apartment look like. And the start of a new what's it called? Start of something new. That's the English. So I'm just gonna show you guys around. Every time I'm just gonna put inside the video. And again, if it's your first time stopping by my channel, don't forget to like the video, comment down below your favorite part of this video, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. I'll catch you guys in the video. Let's go. Wow. Hey, I got a bed. That's the only thing I have in my house, guys. You guys should donate for your girl. Let me get scissors. Donate for me. Okay, so we're gonna use scissors to cut those bad boys. I think I'm gonna roll this down. This is an exercise, right? What? It's the way you're looking for me. I ain't the man. This is when I need the man.
She needs a man.
Like this. I don't know what it is, but it's more of like maybe love from people of Zonus. Come say hi to Zonus.com. I don't know what this is. Thank you. You guys, thank you. So of course, I'm thinking about to know what man. Thank you, Senor. They say if they start telling me thank you so much, what's it buying me? that was the talking back in Nigeria. So this bag is not a toy, blah blah. So guys, it's time for us to open this bad boy. Hey. You have to handle it with care finding that. Where am I gonna put it from? I think I just. Oh no. I don't know how these people package this thing, but I'll show you guys what it looks like after I finish. Meanwhile, your photography. I've been struggling to remove this thing out since. Meanwhile, there's a direction. There's. I would have done this. Why was I struggling? Wow. Where is you?
How is it me?
So we have just done these things. And I was cutting this. Oh my, whole wrapper is inside. Hey! Open bed, dude. Oh, makes sense. Okay. Is this still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, fancy.
Because it's swelling out. Huh?
Where are you coming up? Is this upside down?
Yeah, that's upside down. This side is very heavy.
So they said it's gonna rise like bread. No, let's go. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. So you guys are gonna cut it like this. Zonis. Come and sign me. See how I'm mapping you guys advertise. Such an interesting bed, eh? Now we have to remove the clothes, the skin, just like snake, Do you know this thing is actually very easy because I don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm going to just cut this piece open and just not stress myself again. But some people just like struggling in life. I don't like it. No, but the scissors again is not good.
Who gave you the scissors? Now that you've unpacked your bed, what do you have to say to your brothers?
Thank you very much. Thank you guys. This is like the best birthday gift ever. Like you guys actually know what my problem. You guys know what I did in life. This is like the best because without a bed, like it's like you guys just took me from the street. I never allowed the bed. The bed in your life. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming up with this.
Yeah.
Zunis, come and sign me. Zunis, please come and sign me. I'm looking by advertise. I don't know what this is. Yeah. Okay, so guys. Yeah, kitchen area. Continue. We were doing a good job in kitchen area.
Okay, this is our kitchen area.
Okay.
This is not part of the kitchen.
This is our sink.
sink area.
Is it Korea?
Yeah, kitchen area.
Okay. Can you tell us why you have your marks on?
There's COVID.
Have you shouting because we want another?
And this is our fridge. Like,
Oh yeah. Oh, we have fridge.
Follow fridge. Like,
Yeah.
It's
Nice
given
one,
the
though.
apartment.
Okay. We paid everything together with your
And
partner.
this is the fan. Of course. This is the fan.
I'm sure this is the first time doing this, Abby. This is the first time doing
Yeah, I
this.
haven't done this before, so I'm kind of shy.
Okay, so guys, we have this cupboard here above the fridge. I'll come to the toilet. We have this cupboard here above the fridge. I actually like this because it's more like easier for you to keep some things. You know, so I feel like it's actually very spacious. Like in case you want to keep a lot of things, there are a lot of cupboards. But in my head, I'm like, how many things do I want to keep? Cupboard down, cupboard up, like you. And this is the fridge. So the people that actually use this place actually use it well. The fridge is actually pretty neat. I think it's off right now. Oh, it's not awful. I think it's just cold. Yeah, and no, that's the freezer. This is the freezer. So this is the fridge. It's pretty clean. They left something for you guys, baking soda for you guys, in case you guys. I think that way they used to clean it. That's why it's white. You know, they used to say they used to use baking soda to clean stuff to make it very white. I think that's one of the things maybe they're trying to pass a message across. So they kept something for you guys. This door leads to the laundry. So I'm gonna be sharing the laundry with people on this other side. I'm trying to run the light. Okay. So this is the laundry. I'm gonna be sharing the laundry with people on this other side. Yeah. So that's their stuff there. So I'm just gonna close this door. Yeah. So this place leads to, I think, upstairs or something, or outside. I don't know where this one leads to. They left this. They said this is the Wi-Fi cable in case I need Wi-Fi. They give me the code. So it's actually very spacious. Let me show you guys from this part. Oh, it makes sense. Oh my, this door is fancy. I've not seen this kind of thing before. So it's locked like this?
Yeah, it's locked.
Ah, you see, Oma, what's up? You know what's up? Anyways, guys, so this is the space between for the sitting room. So the sitting room is meant to be. If you say that about the bathtub, right, there's actually a lot of space. This was the bed I actually removed. So it's pretty wide. But sure, why you okay? Guys, this is overeating. I gave her one drink like that and they put pepper inside. She has been acting up since then. So I like the fact that it's actually very white. I like the fact that there's actually a window there. So it's more like you can see outside if it's bright or dark. Or maybe it's pretty white. Like I like the fact that it's just white.
So we just need cotton here. Like.
Yeah, we just need cotton. Exactly. People, you know what's up? Then this is the washroom. And they did a good job with their cleaning.
So sparkling, like. Sparkling.
So this is me, guys.
No. Okay.
This mirror is gonna be in trouble. I feel like it's not as bright as I looked when I came last time. So they have the switch here for you to turn off the lights.
For you.
Then the bathroom actually have more room as well. You know, they have a lot of space to keep your stuff. You know, you can even sleep here in case you don't have much space in your room.
Like, do I want to like?
They have more space and more room for everything.
Is the cleanest?
But I think you're having fun. Enjoy yourself.
Toilet is the best place for me in the house.
Are you for real? I think the room is the best place. No. Sometimes it's the kitchen, then I change my mind.
No, toilet is the best place for me.
Are you for real? So this is the bathroom. So we're gonna leave this place, guys. So this is our room. Let me close it to make it more fancy. So guys, this is the room. This is the room for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna put a quick video of how we remove the bed inside this place before I show you this place. So I'll insert inside this place. So guys, this is the bed that we actually removed the other time. And this is the room. The room is spacious. I like the fact that it has rug, but when it's during summer, it's gonna be very hot because it has rug. It's gonna be okay because of winter because AC, eh? No, I can't afford AC. I'll open the window.
Oh, that's fine this morning.
Guys, this girl is a billionaire. When you see her, Billa, guys, when you see this girl on the road, don't mind her. Oh.
Yeah, this is our wardrobe.
This is our wardrobe. It doesn't have lights though. The bed is heavy. Yeah. But it fits inside. Where are you going?
Yeah.
So this is the wardrobe, guys. We can do hide and seek in this place. Oh, there's actually more space on top of the wardrobe, so it's nice. Like it's.
So you could hang your jacket here.
Yeah, you could hang your jacket.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did a good job. It's not bad. It's something I can work with. Since before I get my IRS, I could work with this.
No, we need IBs.
I could work with this. Yeah. I could work with this. Yeah. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below your favorite part of this video, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this video. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Alright, bye.